Hello friends, back with one more topic related to effects of electric current. In my last video, we have discussed about the magnetic field that is created in a straight conductor. If you have not gone through it, please scroll down for the playlist. Today we will be looking into the magnetic field that is produced into a circular loop. Now for this, we will have to make one small experimental setup, that is, just take a long conducting wire and give it a shape of a circular loop. Now take a cardboard, make two holes in the cardboard and pass this circular loop through the two holes of the cardboard. Now connect this circular loop to a rheostat, ammeter, battery and a key. This is a similar setup as we have seen in the straight conductor. Let us name these 2 points on the cardboard, the 2 holes on the cardboard, that is point P and point Q. So once the current starts flowing through the circular loop, you will find that at each point P and Q, the magnetic field is created in form of concentric circle. Now this is very much similar to that of the magnetic field which we have seen in the straight conductor. If I apply the same right hand thumb rule which we have seen in our last video, that is holding your right hand with the thumb stretched and the 4 fingers curled around the thumb, that is around the conductor. So at point P, when the current is in upward direction, the direction of the magnetic field is anticlockwise. And at point Q, where the direction of the current is in downward direction, the direction of magnetic field is clockwise. So it is in anticlockwise at point P and clockwise at point Q. That is, a small part of this circular loop acts as a straight current carrying conductor. Hence the magnetic field that is created at each point is very much similar to that created in the straight conductor. As you can see here, that each point of that circular loop is acting like a straight conductor, and hence the pattern of magnetic field is similar to that of the straight conductor, that is in form of concentric circle. Here also we have the 2 factors that affects the magnetic field of a circular loop, that is magnetic field is directly proportional to current, that is you increase the current, the magnetic field will increase, you decrease the current, the magnetic field will decrease. And in this case, the magnetic field is inversely proportional to the radius of the circular loop. Smaller the radius, larger will be the magnetic field, and larger the radius, weaker will be the magnetic field. So magnetic field for a different substance that we have seen up till now is like, for a bar magnet, it is created in form of a butterfly, where it is a closed continuous curves that are formed around a bar magnet that runs from the north pole to the south pole. While in a straight current carrying conductor, it is formed in form of a concentric circle. And in a circular loop, it is in form of a concentric circles again at each point. Okay, so these are the magnetic field that are created for different substances like the bar magnet, the straight conductor and the circular loop. I hope you have understood the topic, you have enjoyed the video, so do like, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.